welcome to my channel Utsav, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today is day 5. Give me a high five. I know you can't do that. You can't give me a high five from the camera, but hey, I wish you high five yourself. Doom. Anyways, so it's day 5 and we are opening our Christmas countdown Crayola Advent Calendar, and let's see, day 5 is right here. And I'm trying not to rip. I ripped it yesterday. Let me just put it down and open it because I know I'm going to rip it. This is more complicated than I expected it to be. I mean, opening this windows without ripping it is a hard job. Anyways, ooh, it's a glitter glue stick. Ooh, it's a glitter glue stick. Look at this, how cute. It's a glitter glue stick by Crayola. I've never had a glitter glue stick by Crayola or any glitter glue sticks, and I'm really excited to use this. I don't know what we will have activity today because we have this, so the activity has to be something to do with the glitter glue. So let's open the activity for today. And if you have just joined us today, please do check all 4 videos. The previous one from the first 4 days that I did, and if you have just joined and you don't know, we have this activity kit on the back of Crayola Advent Calendar, and it says no peeking and pull out today's number only. So it's number 5. And look at this. We can make a house, gingerbread house. I think it's a gingerbread house, but we can apply the glue because it says glue, 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 glue. So let's go ahead and color this on the table and then stick it together to make this cute house. Let's get crafty. Super excited. Alright guys, so today I'm going to use these Crayola double-ended colored pencils, and they are I have 10 of them. That means I have 20 colors and I've never used them before, so this is my first time using it. So let's see how it works, and we'll color the gingerbread house quickly and then we'll glue it together to see the end result. Alright guys, so here I have made the gingerbread house, and we are going to take this glitter glue stick, and I did stick all the parts of this gingerbread house with the help of this glue stick, but it was just hard for me to work on the camera with that. But let's apply glue here because it's glittery, but the glitter is not coming on. Because this is washable and it dries really quickly, I am not worried about it messing the paper, but I'm just thinking, why is the glitter not showing? Let me just put a whole lot of glue. And then this glitter glue will give it like a snowy effect, or maybe the sugar that it goes on top. I'm putting a whole bunch, and there is a little bit of glitter. I am not sure if that comes up on the camera. I tried my best to put a whole bunch of glue, but it's not working, I guess. Okay, and we might just put some right here for the frosting, and I think that is it. If you can see the glitter right here. It's very faded on the camera, but if you see it in person, it has a lot of glitter on it. And that's how my gingerbread house looks. Alright guys, so here is the gingerbread house, and it is absolutely adorable. I just love how Crayola has incorporated these little activities that kids can do while opening their advent calendar, and it keeps them busy so they don't cheat and open all the packages furthermore, because it does keep me busy. And it does take a lot of my time, so I don't cheat, and I have to then, after I'm done shooting the video, I have to go take care of my son, because the only time I shoot my videos, and I've mentioned that 100 times before, is when he sleeps. So here we have put some glitter glue on top at the roof, and then I use the same glitter glue to stick these, and it's really sturdy. Once it dries, it's washable, but once it dries, it is amazing. I just love it. So this activity made my day today. I am so happy, and I'm going to use it as a decoration somewhere in my art room. Probably, if you guys haven't seen my backdrop, this is what I made, and this is what not exactly, but this is how it is similar to the one on the Crayola's Advent Calendar, and that's what I tried to depict here. And I hope you guys liked it. If you did, just leave me a comment below. And even up there, I have a pink one hanging upside down. So I'm going to have this gingerbread house sit right here in the center for fun. And I'm going to cover it in a second. But that's what it is for today, guys. And I'll see you all tomorrow for the day 6 video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up if you loved watching me color the gingerbread house. And also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't watched the first 4 days of video, I will have all the links in the description for you guys to check out. Also, if you haven't done so and you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please to hit that subscribe button. I have tons of crafts and art and craft activities on my channel, and tons are on the way. So please give me a chance to show you my ideas and my creativity, and I hope you all enjoy it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.